Hi. Are you looking for a smart way to organize your time and tasks? In this video, I'll share a ready-to-use Google Sheets template designed to track assignments and exams with daily, weekly, and monthly overviews, plus an automatic dashboard. The template comes in light and dark mode with 7 main tabs.
Special launch. Get 70% off automatically, no coupon required, for the first 100 buyers. The discount is applied at checkout while the discounted stock lasts. Plus, you'll receive a bonus printable daily planner in multiple sizes and background colors. Grab it before it's gone.
I'll be using the light mode template. Dark mode works exactly the same. To keep everything functioning correctly, many cells are protected so you don't accidentally change formulas or automations. If a Google Sheets pop-up warning appears, don't worry. Just click Close and proceed. We use a color code to show which cells are editable. White cells are for your input, while colored cells contain formulas. Please do not edit them. Also, do not move or drag cells from one place to another, because that can break calculations. If you need the same data somewhere else, use Copy Arrow Paste or the template's Add Row option instead. Alright, now let's open the Setup tab and walk through the initial step. At the top, you can select the study year and month. For example, 2025 and September. Once you choose these, the rest of the template automatically updates with the right dates. Below that, you'll see the subjects list. Here you can add subjects like math, physics, chemistry, English, and more. The subjects you enter here will appear as drop-down options across the other tabs, such as assignments and exams, so you can easily select them without typing every time. That's all for the Setup tab. Quick and simple. Let's move to the Exam tab. Here you can organize all of your upcoming exams in one place. The first column is the subject, which comes from the list you created in the Setup tab. Next is the exam date, so you always know when each test is scheduled. You can also add the topic, for example, algebra, mechanics, or grammar, and then create a clear study task, like solving practice problems or writing an essay draft. The status column helps you track your progress, whether a task is completed, in progress, postponed, or missed. To the right, the template automatically calculates days to exam, so you know exactly how much time is left. Finally, you can use the Notes column to add reminders or study tips. Let's look at the Assignment tab. This is where you can track all of your homework and projects in one simple list. The first column is just the number of the task. Then you have the subject, which comes from the Setup tab. Next is the assignment name, where you can write things like worksheets, essays, lab reports, or projects. You can set a deadline for each task and mark the priority. Each priority has its own color. This makes it easy to see what needs your attention first. The status column shows progress: completed, postponed, missed, or still in progress. And finally, the Notes column is for extra details or reminders, like chapters to review or materials to bring. This tab keeps all assignments in one place and color-coded, so you never lose track of what's urgent and what can wait. Daily Planner tab. This section is designed to give you a clear snapshot of your assignments for the day. At the top, you'll find filters for date, priority, and status. Simply choose the day you want to view, and the table will instantly update to show only the tasks that match your selection. You can also filter by priority, like high, medium, or low, or by status, such as completed, postponed, or missed. The table below is not editable. It automatically pulls data from the Assignments tab. You'll see the subject, the assignment name, its deadline, priority, status, and any notes you've added earlier. This tab is made to keep you focused. Just pick the date and quickly see what you need to work on today. The Weekly Overview tab. This section gives you a summary of all assignments within a specific week. At the top, you'll see the week number, along with filters for priority and status. The week start and week end dates are automatically generated. Week 1 always begins with the first day of the month you selected. For example, if you chose September, week 1 starts on September 1st. The table below displays your assignments for that week. It shows the subject, assignment name, deadline, priority, status, how many days are left until the deadline, and any notes you've written. This makes it easy to plan your studies 1 week at a time and spot deadlines before they sneak up on you. Monthly Overview tab. This section gives you a complete snapshot of all your assignments for the entire month. At the top, you'll find the month filter, along with options to filter by priority and status. The table below shows every assignment scheduled within that month. It includes the subject, assignment name, due date, priority, status, and any notes you've added. This view is especially helpful for long-term planning, letting you see busy weeks at a glance and balance your workload more effectively.
The dashboard. Let's start with the filter at the top of the dashboard. There are 3 modes: all-time, month, and week. If you pick month, a drop-down appears so you can choose a month, for example, September 2025. If you pick week, a week number drop-down appears, for example, week 1, and the dashboard shows that week's start and end dates. If you select all time, no drop-down appears and you'll see data across the entire timeline. Now the KPIs. Here we have total assignments, 10, completed assignments, 3, overdue assignments, 0, total exams, 10, and completed exams, 3. These give you a quick snapshot of current progress. Under the KPIs are 3 pie charts. One for assignment status, shows completed, postponed, missed, etc. One for assignment priority, high, medium, low, and one for exam status. These pies make it easy to spot proportions at a glance. To the right is the exam breakdown column chart. It visualizes exam progress by subject so you can quickly see which subjects need more attention. Below the charts are 2 tables. On the left, Assignments and Deadlines Overview lists each subject and assignment with its deadline, priority, and status. On the right, Exams and Deadlines Overview shows exam dates, topics, study tasks, and status. Everything on this page, KPIs, charts, and tables, updates automatically based on the filter you choose, so you always see the exact scope of data you need.